Today I'm sharing a piece of my day with a recipe that feels like a cooling breeze, my Tomato Cucumber Quinoa Salad. I like to halve the cucumber and scoop out the seeds with a spoon. Slicing them into these little half moons keeps the texture perfectly crisp and fresh. Next, let's have these lovely baby Roma tomatoes. They're packed with lycopene, which I think of as internal sunscreen to protect our skin from the inside out. Toss the cucumbers with a pinch of sea salt and let them rest for 10 minutes. I tend to do this to draw out excess moisture. It's the secret to that satisfying crunch we all love. Wait, let's whisk together our savory sauce. After 10 minutes, simply drain the liquid from the cucumbers. Now, combine the cucumbers, tomatoes, and cooked quinoa. Pour that beautiful sauce over everything and toss gently. I love how the quinoa absorbs all those zesty flavors. Serve it in your favorite bowl. You really have to try this to know how incredible these simple ingredients taste together. It's so easy and perfect for a light meal prep. Eat well, age well.